In the translation here, I'm talking about the teachings of our elders, or our elder roles. The first thing that came to my mind when I saw this part, the one elder that taught me the most that I can think of, goes way back to my childhood. Those old people that raised me used to go to the dances in Aazhoomog, ceremonial drums. And there was an old lady there. Her name was Naguyu. I don't remember her English name. But she was one of those that lived to be 120 years old from our community. And as a child, I was attracted to that old lady. There was something that she had that drew me to her. And I really believe what it was is I felt the peace and that serenity that that old lady had within her spirit. And that's what drew me to her as a child. And I'd always go sit by her every dance we went. And that's probably the one elder that taught me the most, that in my lifetime to work toward, trying to get to capture that serenity and that peace within myself, and to have it there, and that hopefully at some point some people would recognize that, see that, and feel it. And that's kind of been a goal of my life. And here is an elder that I really didn't communicate with that much, but was able to teach me something that was terribly important. Our job as elders is to teach others, younger people. Teach them about the ceremonies, our way of life, what I was taught, and pass those on to the younger generation so that those teachings continue to be within our community and to be passed on. I also was told a lot when it came to elders, I should not interrupt them when they're talking. I should listen carefully and not say anything, even if I disagreed with what they were saying. That was just stressed so much with me. Basically, a lot of them are available to us as hopefully can pass on these teachings to make sure that what we are given continues and is there.